Tell you what is SWOT analysis. Study undertaken by an organization to identify its internal strengths and weaknesses. One of the most commonly used is SWOT analysis, wherein S for strength, W for weaknesses, O for opportunities, T for threats. Characteristic of a business which give it advantage over its competitors. Weaknesses. Characteristic of a business which make it disadvantageous related to competitors. Opportunities. Elements in a company and external environment that allow it to formulate and implement strategies to increase profitability. Threats. Elements in the external environment that could endanger the integrity and probability of the business.